Actually been built. It had just been an album cover, and we actually brought it to life here at the Hard Rock. Everyone feels like a rock star here, from our award-winning pool, where you can go down our 260-foot pool slide, to actually diving into the pool and hearing the same music you hear out there by the beach. You can come up to our Velvet Bar and have a cocktail, and you might be sitting next to a real live rock star. You'll find this hotel is definitely unique and one of a kind. Just this year, we were honored as Hard Rock's Hotel of the Year. This is an honor we've had 3 of the last 4 years. Our success comes from a multitude of areas. First, 3 amazing partners, Universal, Hard Rock, and Lowe's. The amazing facility, which you're seeing today, and most importantly, our championship team. And underlying it all is Hard Rock's brand differentiator, which is music. Our mission statement is that it's all about creating authentic experiences that rock. Today we've shared with you the program that represents this. It's called Sound of Your Stay. There are 3 key elements: tracks, picks, and mix that you're experiencing here today in our lobby. Let's take a look at a brief video that explains it even better. Okay, again, welcome. Thank you for spending part of your afternoon with us. Special thanks to Technomedia, who provided this really remarkable video wall, and also to Mitch Michael, who's performing for us here today. Enjoy your time at Universal Orlando, and we look forward to welcoming you back to the Rock soon. Thank you very much.